Hey guys, I went out for a spin in the old Bonito today. The outboard's running really well and there's no water getting in, so I'm pretty happy with it. It's a perfect little boat for cruising around the Marlborough Sounds. I didn't get any fish today, but picked up some mussels on the way home. On a previous video, quite a few people wanted to know how I cook them, so we'll head up to the house and I'll show you my favourite recipe. So we've got this wood-fired oven, so I'm getting it going with Kanuka firewood. It's a really nice flavour smoke as well. So I'll crank that up to about 250-ish, and then put the mussels in there. So that's the oven part up there. As you can see, it's nice and smoky. You can alter the smoke with this handle here, so it's seized up. Good for cooking pizzas as well, like, and roasts or whatever. Crank that up for 10-15 minutes and it should be hot enough. Just got these air vents on the front. Have a bit of water in there. They've just opened up, so we'll take those out of the shells. Don't want to cook them too much, because I want to finish them off in the oven, so just enough to pull off easily. Olive oil. Sweet chili sauce. So I'll put that on smoke so it circulates through the oven. I've got a bit of Kanuka scrub I've put in water and that'll make it smoke nicely. Looking pretty good. Look at that. Delicious. Mm-hmm. It's a hard life.